Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video, we are going to try Horizon theme in Shopify. So let's go to the Shopify dashboard. So here I am under the themes section. So to install the theme, we need to scroll down and here we see the themes by Shopify. We can also visit the theme store and here we can see all of the themes. If we will check mark this thing free over here, then we will see all of the free themes that are available on Shopify. So earlier the most of the users were using this Dawn theme, but now after this new update, lots of people are now starting to use the Horizon theme. So here is the theme. You can see new is written over here. If you go to the top and under the sort filter you choose popularity and then you will scroll down and here is the Horizon theme. So it's already on the sixth number as you can see. So most people are now using this theme. So we will see why they are using this theme. We will try it out and check how it appears and what are the new things. So let's just click on it and we will click on try theme. It's a free theme, so we can just click on try theme. So here the Horizon theme is getting installed. We can meanwhile see how it looks like. So let's go to the store again and here we can click on view demo store. So here it is how looking like. So we can see the same things. Okay, so it is showing something like this. I don't think the Dawn theme had that option. So let's check it out. So here is the Dawn theme. We can open that. We can click on view demo store. So yeah, so it shows like this. And then now this Horizon theme, it is showing other signups option as well, which is a good thing. So let's go to the products and that's how the products looks like in here. And on this theme when we go to shop all, it shows like this and the filters are like the same and then we have color and availability. So I actually think that this new Horizon theme is a bit cleaner version and it's looking more better. You can see the design elements, it's designed very beautifully. So if users are now creating their new stores, they will prefer Horizon based on the appearance, because you know that Dawn theme is very simple in that term and this one is looking very professional and modern. So let's see, the theme should be installed and we should be able to use that now. So you can see, so let's click on preview and see how it looks on my store. So here it is how looking like, just like the demo version. So here is the home and you can see, oh, that's how it is looking like. It's not showing the account button, but we can add that definitely. So let's open this product. So that's how it is looking. And here's the checkout, which is same on all themes, I guess. Maybe a little bit of differences. So yeah, in the next video we will see how we can customize this theme. That's it for this video. If you need any help with Shopify or WordPress, you can let me know. My contact details are provided in the description of the video. See you next time.